Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Discord notification thing that you can notify your viewers on Discord when you're live on Twitch, YouTube and Kick. So let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up our favorite app, Streamer.bot. Now, if you're new to Streamer.bot, please check out my Streamer.bot 1.0 beginner's guide. I'll leave it linked in the description. And you want to go ahead and go to Actions. Now in the Actions tab, go ahead and right click and click Add and call this whatever you want. So I'm going to call this Twitch, and I'm going to put here Discord notifications. Okay, and now I'm going to press OK. And now in the triggers menu, I'm going to right click and click Add Twitch, and then Channel Stream Online. And then in the sub actions, you want to right click, click Add Integrations Discord Basic Webhook. And then in the name, call this Twitch. And then choose a username. I'm just going to do Twitch. And now you need to find a webhook URL. Now if you're wondering what is a webhook URL, a webhook URL is basically a thing that talks with Discord, so Streamer.bot can send commands over to Discord, if that makes sense. So what you would do is you will go to Discord, go to your Discord server and go to any channel. So I'm going to just go to a private one because I don't want to let people know that I'm streaming. And then right click the channel, click Edit Channel, go to Integrations, Create Webhook. Now then, go ahead and click Copy Webhook URL, and then in the webhook URL box, just paste that webhook URL in. Now the content field is what you're going to put in the Discord message. So I'm going to say, I am live on Twitch. And then I'm going to type in my handle. And now it's done. And now I typed in that. Now then, you're going to go ahead and choose a URL. I'm not going to do that. And you can choose a image to go with it if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. Just press OK. And now, if you check in your Discord like this, and you right click and press test trigger, it will do that. How cool is that? Now there is a way that you can mention a role. So how you do that is you will go to the message and in Discord, and you would type out the Discord notification, but just go right to the beginning of the notification or the role and put a backslash in. Now press enter, and this is the string you will need. So just copy that. I'm going to delete this. And then in here, just put it up here or somewhere, or at the bottom, wherever you want. Now, if you do it, it will mention the role as well. Now, how about YouTube and Kick? So let's move on to YouTube. So, right click this action and duplicate it and call this YouTube. Press OK. Now delete this trigger and then right click, add YouTube broadcast started. And then in here, let's change this to YouTube, and then just copy this, paste it in. We do not need another webhook URL. And now we can change this to YouTube, and let's change URL. Alright, all done. Now let's go ahead and press OK. And now if we simulate it, there we go. How cool is that? Now then, lastly, let's do kick. So, right click this one, duplicate it, edit this one, and we're going to call this kick. I'm just going to copy this, press OK, and now delete this trigger, right click, add, kick, channel, stream online, and then change this to kick, change this to kick. We do not need to change the webhook URL like the same as YouTube. And we're going to call this kick, and let's change the URL, and now let's press OK. Now if we test it out, and then here we go. How cool is that? Alright then, so that is pretty much it. I literally just wrote a script for this, and I just didn't follow it. So if you could please go to OsianWildGoode.com, get some widgets, get some cool things, and all of that stuff. Buy a t-shirt if you want. I don't have a t-shirt on right now. Because I'm not wearing it, I will show a picture on screen right now what it looks like. Look at that Pogger merch. I love saying poggers. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it on YouTube, but let's just go with it. Alright, thank you for watching. I will hopefully see you sometime in the future. Alright, bye.